Hi, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So I have two good news today for all Stellar XLM holder, and the one good news is that my friends, to all crypto market is wake up, and especially Stellar XLM is completely starting moving upward now and going in the moon now. So therefore I have good news for all of you, my brother. As you can see from now, Stellar XLM is take a very huge jump now, and it's a very good news for all of you. To this coin is also starting moving upward now. You can see, my friend, the direction is completely going the moon now, and after a short fail, every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump now. So it's mean, my brothers, to this time after a fail as this coin is take a jump now. And absolutely, my friend, from last 2 weeks especially, this coin is also fails down very fastly. So just in only, it's a very good news for all holders too. Congratulations, they will wake up and they go in the moon now. And everybody try to understand, my brothers, to if they moving upward like that, then exactly, my friend, I hope they will hit half USD dollar just in only, my friend, at the end of month. So if they will hit just in only half USD dollar at the end of month, so it's a very good news for all of you. Congratulations to they will make you millionaire now in upcoming days. So let's see, my brother, what my opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it, and if you hold exactly, my friend, at the end of month, they will give you, my friends, 2x 5x profit now. So just in only you need to hold and wait for the good time. And remember to Stellar XLM, one of the good coin for a long time investor. So if you invest for a long time, exactly they will give you a profit now. But if you invest for a short time, then they cannot give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.